Introducing the new Mira Rapi-flo shower tray waist. Supplied with all Mira Flight Low and Flight Safe tray ranges, the new Mira Rapi-flo is easy to install, easy to clean, and easy to maintain. Mira Rapi-flo is suitable for installation on flat-to-floor installations or using Mira tray riser kits, available for use across the range. The Mira Rapi-flo is suitable for use with most shower types. However, we would always advocate that a drainage test is undertaken by the installer as part of commissioning to ensure the waste configuration downstream of the waste is capable of the flow rates being delivered. Before installing Mira Rapi-flo with your Mira shower tray, unpack and thoroughly inspect the tray. Having prepared the floor with an appropriate sub-base, position the tray into place to check for size and level before securing. Depending on the installation method, using a suitable primer for the sub-base floor material might also be necessary, depending on the manufacturer instructions and the material selected. With the tray in situ, mark the surrounding wall in order to recess the tray into the fabric of the wall material. A 5mm overlap is recommended in order to secure the tray into place and allow a sufficient overlap for sealing. This is required for both flat-to-floor installations and when using Mira riser kits. Remove the lower wall material using an appropriate method depending on the wall construction. Having removed the lower wall material, try the tray in situ once again and mark the floor for the installation of the wastewater connection if installing your Mira Flight tray flat-to-floor. Remove the floor material to recess the Mira Rapi-flo into the floor, taking care not to damage any surfaces concealed in the floor. The Mira Rapi-flo 1 3/4 inch compression connection allows for a 40mm waste connection straight into the trap without the need for an adapter. This allows for connections from 360 degrees into the trap, but also allows for more space and flexibility when situated tight to joists or other surfaces under the floor. Mira Flight shower trays can be secured to the floor using silicone or using a bed of mortar. If using silicone, a generous amount should be used to ensure good adhesion across the tray supports. Having selected your chosen method, reposition the tray into place, checking for level having done so. The Mira Rapi-flo waist can then be installed. The Mira Rapi-flo is a dry installation and does not require the use of silicone as part of its assembly. With the tray in position, the upper tray seal and top nut can be assembled and inserted into the tray waist hole. With the lower tray seal already in place on top of the waist body, the Mira Rapi-flo can then be connected under the floor and hand tightened into position using the notches on the top nut. No specialist tools are required for this process. The 40mm wastewater connection can then be made to the waist body under the floor. This connection is a standard compression conical seal. Having checked for leaks, the upper funnel, hair catcher and top cap can be assembled into the tray body. When inserting the upper funnel into the waist body, ensure the two arrows are aligned as indicated. To allow for easy maintenance and access, the upper funnel can be twisted and removed at a later date. The integrated hair catcher slots into the upper funnel and can also be easily removed for cleaning by the user. Aligning the locator lugs on the underside of the chrome top cap, the cap clips into place on the top nut. With the tray now secured into place and the Mira Rapi-flo waist installed, the tray can be siliconed into place to further secure the installation and provide a secondary seal to the wall lining. Once the fixing method is cured or set, the final finished wall surface can then be applied, and following any necessary grouting, a primary silicone seal can be applied between the finished wall surface and tray, making your Mira Rapi-flo ready to use.